Familiarize yourself with the 2016 Chevrolet Spark. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.